To fix the issue of missing or non-visible display settings in the NVIDIA control panel, several steps can be taken. First, ensure the NVIDIA graphics card is properly connected to the computer by checking the device manager. This can be done by selecting the Windows Start button, typing Device Manager, and then expanding the Display Adapters section, where the NVIDIA graphics card should be visible. If the graphics card is not listed, it may indicate a connection issue or a problem with the card itself. If the graphics card is properly connected, the next step is to update the drivers. This can be achieved by opening the graphics settings, selecting Drivers, and then downloading the latest update. Once downloaded, install the update and follow the installation process. If updating the drivers does not resolve the issue, it is likely related to the NVIDIA services on the computer. To address this, navigate to the Windows Start button, type Services, and then scroll down to the NVIDIA section. Ensure that the NVIDIA Display Container LS and NVIDIA Local System Container are both set to Automatic and are running. If either service is stopped, select Start to activate it. After adjusting these settings, reboot the computer and check the NVIDIA control panel again to see if the display settings are now visible. By following these steps, the issue of missing or non-visible display settings in the NVIDIA control panel should be resolved. If further assistance is needed, additional resources and tutorials are available.